Yo, what's up guys, welcome to a new video on my channel, and today I will talk about how to put a TypeScript file in a index.html file. So let's get started. So at first we need a index.html file, and we also need two other files. So we need obviously the script.ts file, and we will also need a script.js file, a JavaScript file. So first we are going to do the boilerplate code, make the title to demo, and we will also make a h1 with the idea of demo because we want to display our code here, and we will link the JavaScript file because obviously you can't link a TypeScript file in a HTML file. So what we want to do is we want to write the code in the TypeScript file and convert it with a command on the terminal to a JavaScript file, and the JavaScript file will be displayed here. So what we will have to do now is to download the TypeScript. So npm install TypeScript. So after downloaded, we will have to write tsc to check if we have the right version and everything is okay, and it seems okay. So now what we have to do is we will go to the TypeScript file, we will write the code. So let's write, for example, a array that names be we will put the type to a string, and we will make a empty array. So in TypeScript so in JavaScript it would be something like this, but in TypeScript we have the types here, so where we set the type of the array, so we can't mix up like integers within the string array. So we will also push a name, like John for example, and to display John here in the web browser we will have to get the h1 file. So what we will do is make a variable of the h1 file. So not create element but get element by id demo, right? And we will also write demo.innerHTML is equal to the first index of the array of names. So in order to convert the TypeScript code to the JavaScript code, so it will be displayable in the index.html file, so what we have to do now is to write in the terminal the tsc script.ts, and now it will convert the TypeScript file to a JavaScript file, and now this is readable for the HTML file. And when we refresh the page, we will see here is John popping up. And if we change it from John, for example, to Peter, we will also convert it again to the JavaScript file. Now we see here Peter 2, we will refresh and it shows Peter. Yeah, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching, I hope you liked it, and if you liked it, like the video, subscribe and comment what video I should do next. Thanks for watching.